Good evening and welcome to another video of the Himalayan BS6 version. It's a 2022 model. So I decided to make this video and it's pretty late in the evening and it's just started raining. I was like, you know what, why not? So we're gonna talk about some of the features and according to me the advantages of this vehicle that I find amazing. So it's a 411cc air cooled with an oil cooler 5-speed gearbox. So the engine power is it has 24.3 bhp if I'm right, and 32 Nm torque. It's a dual channel ABS. The back ABS, it's switchable. You can switch it off when you're doing off-roading. And the front disc, it's 300 mm diameter with two floating with two pistons, floating caliper. Yeah, and here's the back disc. It's 280 mm diameter disc with a single piston floating caliper. About the suspension, the front suspension, the front travel is 200 mm, and the rear monoshock suspension, the travel is 180 mm. I love this. It's just it's amazing. See, it's raining. For some reason the weather is amazing. It has a 21-inch front tire and the rear is 17-inch. The front is 90 by 90 21 and the rear is 120 by 90 17. And I believe the seat height is 800 mm. I'm 5.7. My height is 5.7. 5'7" and I find it comfortable. I mean, I don't have any issues with it. And let's talk about hold on, the ground clearance. The ground clearance of this vehicle is 220 mm. Had to take a little break because see, it's still drizzling. It was coming down heavily, so I had to wait a little. So what are the things that I find good about this vehicle? See, as you can see, I haven't done anything to this vehicle yet. And one thing that I love, there are a few things that I love about this vehicle, like they've given an amazing bash plate or your engine guard for the bottom. It really comes handy, especially during the monsoon season when you're off-roading, where the tracks, the trails are muddy. Yes, it's gonna save your engine from a lot of dirt. And this upswept exhaust. So we have to understand it's an ADV. So this is one of the things, features of the ADV vehicles, that they come with an upswept exhaust. So when you're off-roading, serious potholes or something, so your silencer itself isn't like touching anywhere. And the foot pegs. These foot pegs are actually foldable, and they come with this off-road styled. These are off-road styled foot pegs. So if you're doing off-roading, you can remove this rubber, and it'll help you get a better grip. And the quality itself of everything in this vehicle is amazing and top-notch. Like the suspension, the swing arm, the foot pegs. The last time I was on a ride, I was saddling on this. It was 60-70 miles per hour. The roads were really bad. I was saddling and I at any moment didn't feel that, you know what, I might slip or I might lose the grip. And the rubbers were still on. I didn't even remove the rubbers, so yes, they will do the job. Another thing that I love, and is actually uh, quite useful. So when you're at when the side stand, hold on, let me show you. So when the side stand is on, you then close it. You want to start the vehicle and put it in gear. It's just gonna stall. It's not gonna let you go anywhere. So we have switched on the motorcycle, so let's find out. So the side stand, I then close it, and the moment I try to put it in gear, it's just gonna stall. That's one feature that I really love. And they've given this the recent models, so this is 2022, they've upgraded, they've given a little plate at the back, so you can mount your top box on this, or you can just throw in your luggage. It can rest on this. And they've even changed the side rack. They have remodeled it. This used to be a little straight, so now it is a little curved for those tall riders, 6 foot plus. So I guess it's you know, comfortable for them. For a rider like me, I don't feel the difference. They have, it's an LED backlight, but I wish RE would have given us a LED headlight as well. It would have helped in a very big way, but I guess we gotta just like upgrade it. So here we have, so you can see a little, that's the indication that I have to get my vehicle serviced. It's above 5,000 kilometers, so I'll be going this week and getting the service done. Once the service is done, they're going to reset it, and this is going to go away. The indication is going to go away. And here's the RPM meter. The fuel gauge, and on the side it used to be a compass in the previous models. Now it's just a gear indication as to in which gear your vehicle is riding. It has a 15.5 liter tank. On the highways it fetched me 45 kilometers per liter, and I find that to be amazing. Like, that's more than enough for me as a rider cruising down the highways. I was doing 80 to 90, at times 95 to 100, and it gave me an amazing mileage. It can do 95 to 100, that's the sweet spot. It can do those speeds all day long. And they've given these little hazard stickers on the front suspension. That's amazing. Spoked wheel. It's they have these are tube tires. I don't have any issues with it. Let's see if I, God forbid, get a tire puncture on the highway. I don't know how am I gonna feel about the tube tires. So, well. I tend to be very cautious when I'm going out. You know, check the tire pressure and making sure the tires and the vehicle is in good condition. Yet, you never know. So, hope for the best. So these are some of the features that I like, and the seat. The seat itself is amazing. You'll see this little curve. um, it helps you on the long rides, gives you a little bit of that backrest. It's like a little backrest for the front rider. So all in all, these are some of the things that I love about this vehicle. So see you in the next video. Till then, ride safe and enjoy every moment of it.